Guys, so this is the EMS Smartcell system test 6. So the device is testing today is this cold point, and then the tune we're going to be using today is the after evacuation tune, and you probably don't know what I mean. So it's the front evacuation tune. So it sounds like this. So yeah, that's what the sounds will sound like when I set off this alarm sound button from the control panel. Yeah. Well, I forgot. I need the test key. I'll be right back, guys. Right, I got my key. So, we'll start off at that cold point. So, yeah. As you see in the light, it's a bit light. It looks like the police lights, like when we're on the police car. But when I see it, but not in the camera, it's dark blue. But anyways, let's just reset that, and then we'll set off this button. Right, the green LED's gone. And on that front fire tune, that sound is very loud on that tune. So I'm gonna have to run as fast as I can up to the playroom. Right, so here goes nothing. So yeah, that sound just made me jump because of that. It's so loud, even though I set the sound volume to the low option. So now all we have to do is sign the logbook, and then I'll reset the panel, and then it's gonna be it for this video. So I decided not to put it in test mode for the rest of the weekly system tests now. And I'm gonna have to set off that cold point again, and then when I check the location on the panel screen, but anyways, I could just put location zone 5, and it's in the kitchen. and it's an information call point. Right, so I got the logbook. So today is the 13th of June, 2026. And the water number is June 86. So that's done. On the location, we tested this call point. So, what I know is it's zone 5 and it's in the kitchen. So, the device is called information call point. So, zone 5. It kind of looks like a nurse. So the number 5, and it also looks like it's blending up with the word kitchen. So I'm gonna have to put color of that. Kitchen. Or I could call it the alert call point, because it also says information, but it also alert. But it's too late. I already put the letter I. Wait, is that correct? Yeah, it is. I thought it was an M. And then call point. Right, that's done. And then, yeah, tracks done. Right, that was just my home. So that's done, and everything was all normal, and it was logged on the 13th, which is today. And the serial number is 03949C. C, and then on that last page, find the one when I it's this one. Yeah, I forgot to do zone 1 there. Right, so yeah, that's done. And then you can reset the panel. So you can reset it now. And also one more thing is I used tone 6 and then the last system test I used tone 4. And why I didn't use tone 5 is because that's the default tone, which you may know that sounds like this. Yeah, and I use that default tone in the system test 1. So that's why I skipped to tone 6. And it's not just tone 6, it was also the system test 6. And then the next one is the Dutch slow whoop tone. Whoop tones. So yeah, and then that's gonna be it for this video. So peace.